Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly which government document you need and the agency that issues it. Collect your ID, reference numbers, and form details now so you don't pause later. Next, register or verify an official WhatsApp business number if required. Many agencies only accept messages from verified numbers. Once done, draft a clear request message template that includes your name, ID, document type, reference number, and preferred delivery format to streamline replies. You now send the prepared message to the agency's official WhatsApp contact and attach required files, a scanned ID, completed form PDF, and any payment receipt. Make sure file names are clear and small enough to send. After sending, monitor replies closely. Agencies may ask for clarifications or OTPs. If you receive a reference ID, save it and request delivery method and expected timeline. When asked, follow prompts exactly to avoid processing delays. When you receive the document on WhatsApp, open and verify name, date, signatures, and file integrity immediately. If anything's wrong or missing, request a reissue or a secure download link and quote your reference ID. Make sure to keep the original message thread and screenshots. If messages fail or agency is unresponsive, resend attachments, confirm you used the verified phone number, and escalate to a supervisor or helpline. This prevents delays and creates a clear audit trail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.